Hello traders, welcome to today's market analysis, August 7, 2025. So let's see the Forex commodity like gold, silver, crude oil, and the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So let's start with Euro USD first. So Euro USD is just consolidating at the lower high. I think Euro USD is still in a strong uptrend, so we can expect Euro USD to move up mostly. And yeah, Euro USD is trying to move up only. Just reached over this level. I think Euro USD might give some correction, but it is just making a deeper correction. It made a very deeper correction of 400 pip. After that, it just rebounded 100%. I think it will move up continuous. Continuous movement is possible on Euro USD. So pound USD. Pound USD is like this, and Aussie USD. Aussie USD is also like that. USD yen try to. I think it's trying to move only down, not even up. It's trying to move down. But you should have to be aware of those pair. So still the 50% level is there on I think let's consider this one. I think this one is something like 61%. I think it will move up once again. It will move up or else it need to fall continuously. So according to me, USGN seems to be USGN seems to be working well. In a range, it is just simply consolidating. So what we need to look for here is like for USGN, you should have to wait for the confirmation of breakout at the bottom. So the bottom breakout we should have to wait, and then we must have to wait and see how it works. So USGN is like that. USGN is most probably like this, moving around this area. So I don't think that USGN will make a very big movement very soon. If it breaks this low, then we can expect a big fall. Otherwise, USGN will keep moving up and down. So let's see the USD one by one. It's going to move on. Silver just went up towards the resistance again. And what happened next is we should have to wait. And the US Swiss franc. I think US Swiss franc try to move up now. So if you ask me whether it's good to buy or what I would say, yeah, it's good to buy. It's good to buy US Swiss franc, I believe. Yep. USD Canadian, I'm not sure. Not sure about the USD Canadian. It's okay. So USD Canadian is like this, and this is Swiss franc, USD Canadian. Try to move up and down. So according to news, economic news, we don't have much more important news on either pair except the pound interest rate is going to release by tomorrow. Sorry, I think it was released just now, just before an hour. Today's a Thursday. Oh, pound interest rate. Oh, I think 4%. It remains 4%. I think pound has become stronger. Yeah, you can see it just went up. So the pound has become a little bit stronger. But we cannot consider the pound be so stronger as you think because pound USD also have chance to fall back again. What a clear breakout it is. Nice breakout on pound Canadian. Nice movement and nice breakout happened on pound CAD. Wow, nice, good and nice and good breakout. However, the pound Canadian need to continuously move up, otherwise it will down again. It went up. So while looking out all the charts, it seems to be euro pound. The pound is trying to move down. I think it just fell down, right? Euro pound just fell down because of the news, because of the pound interest rate decision. So the rate cut happened, so the pound gets stronger temporarily. So this is the only reason. It's nothing more than that. The pound seems to be, even the pound seems to get stronger anyway by moving up continuously. And pound out is also like that. Aussie Canadian, try to move up. Aussie Canadian, USDN try to fall. I think USDN will fall towards the support again. I believe this time USD Canadian, sorry, USD Japanese yen needs to move down. Must have moved down, not up. So USD yen is moving up now, down like this. USD Canadian, one point of view, USD Canadian seems to be. So USD Canadian also trying to fall. Not sure about that. USD yen trying to fall. So USD JPY. All these pairs are trying to move up and down, but we need to wait and see how well the market is going to move on. So we should always have to wait for the right market opportunities. Oh wow, nice euro Swiss franc went up. Nice movement. Today we plan to buy. It just went up. 3 hours. Nice to see USD. Sorry, Swiss franc. But pound Swiss franc, instead of pound Swiss franc, it's better to wait euro Swiss franc. It's better to focus on euro Swiss franc instead of pound Swiss franc. So what do you think here is very important, because all the Swiss franc pairs are getting so strong. It's trying to move up. We have accessing Canadian Swiss franc. So Euro Swiss franc is also good to buy, and pound Swiss franc is also quite good to buy, right? Yep. But it might give a little bit more, but not sure how fast that movement will be. Because just try to make it break out. Our pound Swiss franc just today it starts to rebound. So we need to wait. Then you can do a pound Swiss franc is also good buy setup. Pound Swiss franc, how about Austrian Swiss franc? It's also going good. Just broke the level and it's trying to move up anyway. Yeah, alright. Australians, I'm not sure. I plan to give Australian JPY sell again. What do you think? So Australian JPY sell again seems to be a good idea, but if you try to retest again, it will reach this high. So it's not good to sell again the Australian yen. Instead, we can focus on any other pairs like Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Try to move down. Just made such a big move on over here. Pound dollar is simply consolidating. So we are not sure how the pound out or if the pair is going to move on, but pound out is simply consolidating. Analysis pound Japanese yen moment. Okay, let's see other pairs also. Because we cannot depend only on this pound pair because of news. Cannot depend only on the news. So Need to focus on other pairs like euro yen. It's a little rise up anyway. USD Canadian. USD Canadian have a chance to move on, but I'm not sure about the USD Canadian. It still have a chance to move on. However, it takes some time. I think this one is also released. So jobless claim is negative again. So due to the negative initial jobless claim. Let's see other set of pairs because we didn't look out the other pairs. So I think we should have to look at other pairs also. Bitcoin is also just consolidating over this descending minor descending channel. So yeah, if it reaches near around 170k, then we can expect one more fall. If it breaks the high like 190 or 120k, then we can expect Bitcoin to reach another new highs. So always be patient and wait for the Bitcoin market to break this descending channel level. So in another view, if you look out this, looks like Bitcoin still have a lot of chance to move up. So there are a lot of things happening over there. So we need to wait and see. So let's see the next market opportunities by tomorrow.